Hello everyone, this is class 7th maths, chapter 5 exponents, exercise 5b. As we have already started this exercise, so today we are going to discuss about question number 3. Simplify giving answer with positive index. I have already told what is index. Index is this power, as he has written b raised power 6. 6 is, it can be can be pronounced with three names. First name is, as simply I say, power. Secondly, you can say it exponent. Thirdly, you can say it index. Right? So he said giving answer with positive index means the power must be positive whenever you are giving the answer. In the answer, you can't leave it in with the negative power. Right? So here we will use the laws that we have already done. We have done the law. I'm just recapitulating one by one as per we will get the question. If the base is same na, and terms are multiplying with each other, then we will write the base once and powers will add up. So same funda we are going to apply here. See, they have the coefficients also. 2, 5, b3 doesn't contain any coefficient, so we will write 1. Because यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं होता, वहाँ पे 1 तो होता ही है in multiplication, right? Firstly, we will multiply the coefficients. That is 2 multiply 1 multiply 5. Now, see, this is b6, b3, b4. Base is same. Write the base once, add the powers. 5 2s are 10. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. This is our answer. Easy? So now question number 2. See beta, firstly multiply the exponents. Coefficients. It doesn't have any coefficient, then we will write 1. If you are not writing 1, it's okay. But it should be understood to you. Right? So multiply it. Now see x only. X raised power 2, x raised power 5, x raised power 3. And all are multiplying to each other. Write x as it is. Its power 2 plus 5 plus 3. Again same for the y. 3. It doesn't have any power. It means it is having power 1. 6 9s are 54. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 4 plus 4, 8. Right? So this is the required answer. If you have a bit confusion, you can tell me. You can text me, right, for this thing. The same funda we are applying. This is base is same, then powers will add up, and that we are doing. Next is minus a raised power 5, a raised power 2. We will see the base only. What is base? Base is a, not minus a. So when they will multiply, suppose I have minus a into minus a raised power 2 and a raised power 1. We are applying property, we are applying a law on this. It will be a raised power 2 plus 1, a raised power 3. Suppose I am taking this example. So it is having a negative sign with it. It doesn't have any sign. It means it's positive. So whenever we multiply the numbers, we are multiplying the we can say lateral coefficients. At that same time, we multiply the sign also. Lateral coefficients you have multiplied, you got a raised power 3. Now minus plus will be minus. Right? Same will be here. Minus and plus, when they will multiply to each other, minus plus minus. Write the a once, adds a common base, add the powers. Minus a raised power 7 is the answer. Same as the previous question. Firstly multiply the sign. Minus will be plus. Why I am multiplying it? Because power is only on by. Power is not on negative sign. If power is like this, then it is having a different meaning. If power is like this only, then power is on y only, not on minus sign. So both are the different things. So minus and minus will multiply it to each other. Minus minus plus. Now write the base once, add the powers. See the next question. The same problem that I was discussing here has come here. Now see, power is on minus also, because it's the whole power of minus 3. So in this case, as I already told you in exercise 5a, मैंने बताया ना आपको 5a के अंदर that if something has power 2, it means that number will multiply with each other at the same number of times as the power it is. So it will be written like this, right? Answer will be 9 in that case. But if we have minus inside it, beta, if we are doing square of this number, if this number is multiplying to each other that number of times as its power, at the same time minus will also multiply, right? Minus 2 का अगर square है, it means minus into minus. So minus minus will be plus. Minus minus will be plus. And it's same here. When we will do the square of minus, it will be minus minus plus. Clear? Now we have, you can write it that after doing square we got 3. 3 is power 2, 3 is power 3. Write the base ones, add the powers, because both are multiplying to each other. This is your answer. So that's all about question number 1 to 5. Rest of the questions we'll do in next video. Thank you.